Jesus Christ, oh. Kevin come. Hey! Kekwana ihe ndị a na-agagharị biko ni? Kekwana ihe ndị a na-agba Jesus? Lekwa egbe. Hey! Nala what's in inside? Una ka na ebe a?
Everything weather here must burn down. We are here at Oba. We are here for them. Where them now? I think they said they get gone. Where are them? You nonsense. You fucking nonsense. Where are you? Where are you? You fucking idiot. You are here claiming our land. We are saying no. We say no. We say no. We say no. We say no.
Post officer beat me up.
Listen to me, oh. I said calm down. I wanted to buy drug when we got to be. One of the Chinese said I will cover it. No, don't worry.
I will cover it.
Calm down. When I got to this place, I said calm down.
I will cover it.
You coming down first.
I'm coming down.
I'm here.
I'm not saying anything.
I'm here.
You can say I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything.
Yes.
I'm not saying anything.
Yes, come.
I'm not saying anything.
I'm here.
No problem, but I'm not saying anything.
Listen now.
Did I talk?
So when I reached, the door was locked a little bit. I knocked.
Which dog?
This door.
This one?
Yes, I knocked. He now reply me inside. I
The
closed
night?
that.
No.
No. Yes. He now said that you enter. I enter. I now told him. I greeted him. We greeted each other. I said that I need a. Shut up!
See how police officer is harassing me.
Stop it!
See how police officer. See how they are harassing me. See how they are harassing me. Police officer. See how they are harassing me. Yoruba man like me. Ọmọ lagre ọmọ gun Lanre wájú Lanre.
As I greeted him, I thought that I need a drugs.
Stop that.
No, Pastor, I can't stop it. I can't stop it.
I'm here now.
I can't stop it.
Why can't you hold on?
I'm holding on.
Yes.
Did I do anything wrong now? See how he slapped me. See how he slapped me.
Whether I have HIV or I have coronavirus. I said, do I told you that I have coronavirus or I have HIV?
To be honest, listen. To be honest, you are found running. You should have found a running nurse. To be honest, understand? Because
See how police officer beat me up.
you understand? You guys actually found a running. That's what I expected. Found a running nurse. You got me? Yes. Since you come here, actually you should ask him to do this favor. You understand? Yes. It shouldn't be like this too aggressive.
It's the way he answered me that I supposed to tell him.
No, I know you.
To tell him the symptoms.
What about
Whether is it HIV or coronavirus?
What about you?
When he came, I asked him. He's okay. He came in. I just tell me, give me typhoid fever drug.
Is it?
Did I lie?
Is that all? If it
Did I
like,
let me wait? See, I'm coming one by one. See, I'm taking this thing not one by one. You ask me. You told me.
Don't point anywhere.
You okay? Wait. When he came in, he knocked, and I said, "Who is there?" He said, "This Mopoke. Come in." And he came in. We greeted each other. So after that, he told me, "Give me typhoid drug." I was like, "I can't write typhoid. Tell me the symptoms that you are having." It was not like, can't I see it in his eye that he's having typhoid fever, that is just coming from Benin? I was like, they can't write HIV on the forehead. That's what I told you.